What is AI? Hey there, today let's dive into the fascinating world of AI. So, what exactly is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which is basically the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI allows machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks like speech recognition and decision making. It's like giving computer the ability to think, learn, and adapt on their own. There are two types of AI. Narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks like facial recognition or language translation, and general AI, which would have the ability to understand and learn any task that a human can. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye.